Okay, so let's look at verbs with Gerunds. Gerund. Now remember, a gerund is an ing word. Ing. So they are used to say how someone feels about something. How someone feels about something. So subject I, you, they. Verb enjoy. I enjoy. Gerund teaching. I enjoy writing. You enjoy listening. They enjoy learning. Teaching, writing, learning. And then you could even flip it and say, do you enjoy learning? Do you? Do I? Do they? Do you? Do you enjoy learning? Do you enjoy teaching? Do you enjoy growing? He, subject, doesn't, negative, feel like dancing now. So there's the verb and there's the gerund and there's the subject. He doesn't feel like dancing now. And that's just an adverb. He doesn't feel like dancing. I, subject, dislike, verb, skiing. Gerund, skiing. I dislike skiing. I like reading. I like writing. I dislike, I don't know. I like driving. I enjoy driving. I like driving. I enjoy driving. I like driving. Yeah. I like driving, I enjoy driving. Will delay, so subject, verb, will delay going, will delay going dancing, will delay going to the party. Will delay going to the party. You don't like it? We'll delay it then. You keep, so subject, you keep dancing to the music. To the music. You keep dancing to the music. Yeah, verb, gerund as well. You keep, so verb, you keep dancing, gerund. Will you consider, so subject, will you consider, verb, yeah. Will you consider a career in teaching? Will you consider swimming? Will you consider swimming? Very good. I enjoy it. But what about you? Will you consider swimming? I consider, could even say, I subject, consider swimming enjoyable. Same meaning, different structure. But I consider, well, will you consider swimming? Yes, no, maybe. Will you go with me? Maybe. Yeah. I dislike skiing. I dislike climbing. I like driving. I enjoy driving. Yeah. So notice how the ing verb, the gerund, is the action itself, the ongoing action, the infinitive, the continuous action. And by talking about someone or something with a subject and the verb like enjoy, we can talk about what someone likes or does not like. I enjoy, I like, do you like, we like, they dislike, and beyond. Yeah, how someone feels about something. Will you consider teaching? What do you think? Will you consider swimming? You keep dancing. What's that all about? We'll delay going to the party. You don't want to go, we'll delay it. I dislike skiing. Don't worry then, we won't do it. He doesn't feel like dancing. He doesn't feel like dancing. Oh, no thanks. Very good. Yeah, very good. Let's keep going.